Today we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, Samsung's latest premium wireless earbuds, and whether they're actually worth your money. Hey everyone, welcome back to Smartwatch Radar. Right from the start, these earbuds feel more refined than before. The new blade-style stem with a subtle metal finish gives them a more premium and modern look. They feel solid in the hand, and once you put them in your ears, the fit is secure and comfortable. Samsung has clearly worked on improving ergonomics, so they sit better and feel less tiring during long listening sessions. Now let's talk about sound quality, because that's the biggest reason people upgrade. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro come with an improved dual driver system, including a larger woofer and a redesigned tweeter. In real use, this means the bass feels deeper but more controlled, vocals sound clearer, and the highs are sharper without being harsh. Music feels more detailed and balanced overall. Whether you're listening to pop, hip-hop, or watching YouTube videos, the sound feels rich and clean. The active noise cancellation is also stronger this time. The adaptive ANC adjusts automatically depending on your surroundings. If you're in traffic, a cafe, or inside a plane, it reduces background noise effectively while still keeping important sounds noticeable when needed. It's not completely silent like over-ear headphones, but for earbuds, the noise-canceling performance is impressive. Call quality has improved as well. Samsung has upgraded the microphone system and voice processing, so your voice sounds clearer and more natural during phone calls. Even in noisy environments, background noise is reduced better than before, making them reliable for work calls or online meetings. Battery life stays around 6 hours with noise cancellation turned on, and with the charging case you get roughly 30 hours total. It's not a huge upgrade in battery numbers, but it's enough for daily use without worrying about constant charging. Another thing to keep in mind is that these earbuds work best within the Samsung ecosystem. If you're using a Galaxy phone, you'll get smoother pairing, more control features, and high-quality audio support. Overall, the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are not a dramatic revolution, but they are a strong refinement. Better sound tuning, improved ANC, clearer calls, and a more premium design make them feel like a proper flagship upgrade. If you're using older Galaxy Buds, this is a solid step forward. If you already have the previous Pro model, the upgrade depends on how much you value the improved sound and design. For everyday users who want powerful, balanced sound and smart features in a compact design, the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are a very strong choice.